Ladies, let us talk facts. Some men, they do not deserve a warning, a conversation, neither do they deserve a second chance. These men, they deserve a straight block and delete. In 2025, dating is a whole new battlefield. And if you do not know how to cut your losses and run, you could end up wasting your time, energy, and your peace of mind. So today, I am breaking it all down. When is it time for you to leave a man? When should you stop trying, stop hoping, and start running? If you are not sure, stick around because this might just save you from a whole lot of stress. Welcome back to Things and Love. I am your lady Tanya, your spicy relationship specialist. Now listen, nobody goes into a relationship thinking it is going to be toxic or it is going to be disappointing. But too often, we hold on to men that have no intentions of changing, growing, or treating us right. And the problem? Many women, they see the red flags, but they still stay, hoping for a change, hoping that things will get better, hoping that he will finally step up. But ladies, let us be real. If a man is showing you who he is the first time, believe him. So today, we're going deep into the science that tells you it is time to leave. And when I say leave, I mean pack your emotional bag, block his number, and move on with your peace intact. Now ladies, let us look at when he is inconsistent and full of excuses. One day, this man is into you, and the next day, he disappears. He starts strong, but after a while, he barely texts, barely calls, or barely check up on you. When you bring it up, this man, he always has an excuse. I have been busy. You know how I am. Things have just been hectic right now. And these are some of the excuses that this man is going to give to you. Ladies, a man who wants you will make time. A man who doesn't care will make excuses. When is it time for you to run? If he's inconsistent for more than a few weeks, he is not serious. Walk away. Ladies, let us now look at when he is emotionally unavailable. This man doesn't open up to you. This man, he avoids deep conversations. Whenever you decide to express your feelings, he shuts down. This man never reassures you, but he just expects you to go with the flow. Ladies, a man who is emotionally unavailable is like a locked door. You keep knocking, but he ain't letting you in. Ladies, when is it time for you to run? If months are passing and he is still closed off, distant, or emotionally shut down, leave. You are not a therapist and you deserve a man who can meet you emotionally. When to run? When he talks about building, but he never moves. I just need a little time to get my things together. Let's just see where things goes. Soon we will be good. Just be patient with me. These are some of the things that this man will say. You're not getting anywhere with him. Ladies, there is a difference between a man who is really working towards something and a man who is just talking. When is it time to run? If he has been building for years and you have not seen any movement, stop waiting. He is wasting your time. Another reason to run: when you are the only one putting in the effort. You text first, you plan the dates, you check on him. But this man, ladies, he barely checks on you. You support him and he gives you nothing in return. Ladies, a relationship should feel like a partnership, not a one-woman show. When is it time to run? When you know so you must run. If you feel like you are the only one carrying the relationship, put it down and walk away. Another reason to run from a man is when he makes you feel small or unworthy. This man, he will talk down to you. He will dismiss your feelings, and he is also going to make it seem as if you are lucky to have him. Ladies, a real man will make you feel valued, not belittled. If he is making you feel like you are not enough, that man, he is not the one. When is it time to run? The first time that this man disrespected you, you do not need multiple choices to be treated right. Another reason to run: when he is still entertaining other women. He says that they're just friends, but he's always texting them. His social media is full of flirtatious comments and DMs. You also catch him lying about where he has been and who he has been with. Listen to me, ladies. If a man is still moving like he is single, let him be single. Go ahead and let him be single. If he is still moving like he is single, go ahead and let him be single. Ladies, the moment you feel like you have to compete for this man's attention, run. Another reason to run is when he is not growing or he is not elevating himself. He has no ambition, he has no goals, and he has no drive. This man is comfortable with his struggle and he's expecting you to accept it too. He talks big, but his action doesn't match. Ladies, in 2025, we are only aligning with men who are growing. If he is stuck, he will keep you stuck too. When is it time to run? If he's in the same place emotionally, mentally, and financially after a long time, and he is making no effort to level up, run. Another reason to run: when you feel more drained than happy. Every time he talks, it's drama. You feel anxious instead of excited when he calls. You're always questioning yourself, feeling insecure, or you're walking on eggshells. Ladies, a relationship is supposed to bring peace, not stress. If you are always exhausted by a man, it is time to let him go. Run. When the relationship starts to feel like an emotional burden instead of a blessing, run. Run. It is time to run. Another reason to run: when this man keeps showing you repeated red flags. Lying. He lies to you. Controlling behavior. He tries to control you. Manipulating you. Playing mind games. Ladies, if you have to question a man's intention constantly, he is not the one. Run. The first time you see a major red flag, do not wait for a confirmation, this is the time for you to run. Ladies, I do know that you have stories, so I want you to tell me those stories in the comments. When was the moment that you realized that it was time to run? What was the biggest red flag that you ignored before finally leaving? Let us talk about it. Leave the comments in the comment section. If this video gave you clarity, I want you to do me a favor. Leave your comments, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Help me to bring my subscription up. And if you even want me to break down more dating red flags, let me know. Until next time, remember, don't walk, don't wait, run when necessary. Bless up.
Take